Katit mo ani tangtangon.
No.
Gabas nang sobra na or paputol.
I just want to live a normal life with my teeth.
Ano sa Italia guys, ito ang kanon nga ipatangtang ng duha kang ipon ana iya nga tubangan nga pirsang dagkua. Nak, kumusta man na school?
Huh?
Kumusta mag-school?
Good.
Ngayon katawag ka. Ha?
I don't know what it means.
Huy,
Yeah?
ag imong doktor ba?
I gave it to the teacher.
Ha?
I gave it to the teacher.
Di ni kulang imong doktor nga ugma ko no. Karang duha ko mami po nimo okay.
No. Like the two top teeth.
Yeah, the two. Kay ilisan ko no.
No, they're not.
Hiingo ng doktor ka.
No, they're not.
Tawag.
No, they're not.
Kada bura grabe ti mong tita ni ba duha dagko?
Mom's gonna get me braces like in 2 months or 1 or 3.
Di uy patangtang lagi na kay ilisan nila kanang para musibo. Nadir ba ka mutuo? Yung tawag na ho ganiha. Pabalikon ka ugma. Nagistorya na sila ni mami.
Okay, that means I can skip school again.
Yeah, you can skip school again because they need to take your teeth. Right?
I'm gonna check your Facebook.
Huh?
I'm gonna check your Facebook
Ganon.
because like you might have like said it when I wasn't in the car. So
Ipatangtang lang inaingon ng doktor. Dentist na mo ganiha. Mao to registorya niya ganiha.
No, they didn't.
Huwag ko kasabot. Ha?
no, they didn't.
Ning tawag lagi na ako. Did.
Do you pinky promise?
Yeah. Right, Ethan? Ethan, right? Ning tawag si Doktor ganiha no, si Dr. Nolpe. Oh, ning tawag. So we have a schedule tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
They're actually taking them.
Yeah, like that. They replace it like postizo. Kay bao ka ng postizo?
No.
The good. Ha?
No.
Yeah, ningingon man ko mami po nimo okay.
No.
Ha?
Ow.
You know,
No, I don't want.
they will put silver.
No, that's gonna look ugly.
You don't like the silver?
They can put silver, but
Look at your teeth here. Ngana. Show your teeth.
I can do it in my mirror. It's okay, I can do it in my mirror.
Na, di lang baga mo tuo. Silver. Gina ko mami, no, don't. Ayaw ng silver. Ayaw ng silver kay lain. Mura siya og kuha na chain.
No,
See? Sobra na imong tita ni gamay, di ba? Ingon ang imong dentist na.
like the two top teeth.
Yeah, the two. Kay para matupong ko no si look at your teeth. Ingon bitaw ko ayaw ana ng dentist kay patangtang ng ipon ni mo ana. Mao bitaw ako ana ko mobalik ang dentist.
That's because when I had my two when they took out my tooth, oh no, I lost these tooth in 1st grade.
Unsa man ani mo ato anay pagabas ng sobra na or paputol? Tangtangon. You wanna
It's not gonna grow back.
ha?
It's not gonna grow back.
Mao lagi nang ipatangtang lagi aron ilisan og karang silver. Yun silver gold.
I don't want any. I don't want any.
So,
I just want to live a normal life with my teeth.
unsa mo pag normal na ning mga taas man ang naa duha ka sa ibabaw taas man.
I think I know why it's crooked. Because when I was in 1st grade, I used to suck on my thumb when I was sleeping. And you know that.
Nganong gisak mo rin mong tao.
That's because I've been doing it since I was like 1.
So That's not the problem now. They will change it. The doctor already agreed. It depends on you, gold or silver.
I'm gonna call mom. I'm gonna call mom.
You want the silver, the gold?
I don't want any.
Nah, mura. At to taog mo alas 9.
Are you being for real?
Tinood! I'm serious. Are you being serious? Saon? Katina po, naapoy ko anunon ka katina. So kamo gyapon duha o dalhon ugma. Ha? It hurts. They will take it out your teeth. Tangtangon imong teeth pulihan og silver.
I don't want any. That's gonna look disgusting. And it's gonna look like
It's gonna be you are attractive because your teeth is silver or gold.
No.